this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to manually turn off your PlayStation 5 if you don't have access to your controller or maybe like a remote or anything like that. Now obviously you could always just unplug it from the wall outlet and this will turn it off completely, but it could be a little bit more inconvenient. There's an easier way. You can go to the front of the PlayStation 5 and just hold down the power button. And if you press it once, it will place it into rest mode. Hold it down, it will completely turn it off. So let's scroll on down. And here's my PlayStation 5. This is the power button right here. We press it once, it'll put it into rest mode. Hold it down, it will completely turn it off. So you'll hear one beep, and then you'll hear another beep, indicating your PlayStation 5 is powering down. Otherwise, just unplug from the wall outlet, and that should do the job as well. Then if I scroll on up, you can see there's going to be no signal. Now, if you look at the light here, when this turns off and there's no light, that's an indication that it's completely 100% turned off. And you should be good to go now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.